Welcome to ReShoot 360 tutorials. Today, we will see the photo filter standard. Before starting, select a 360 photo or a 360 video you would like to edit. Now, select the preset photo. Select the type of social network you target. For example, select the preset Instagram. Select the photo filter standard. Here, you see a preview of your final photo. Use the camera view parameter to choose which part of the 360 scene you want to reframe. To do this, use the blue button with the round arrow. Slide the screen to move the camera. Use again the blue button to lock the camera. Now, you can export the final photo by using the button in the top right corner. Your photo is saved on your device in the album ReShoot 360. You will find even more options to edit your 360 media in the editor. Thank you for watching and have a good day.